No need to worry, we have the answers to all your unspoken prayers. With these 15 inventions that will kill your boredom, you would never have to worry about the monotony of your daily routine ever again. You definitely don't want to miss out on these surefire ways to spice things up a bit in your seemingly uninteresting life. Number 15, Parrot Jumping Sumo MiniDrone. The first invention on our list is for all you tech lovers out there. What better pet is there to have as a geek than this Parrot Jumping Sumo MiniDrone? This little fella has a speed of over 4 miles per hour, and its outstanding acrobatic skills, complete with the ability to reach heights of up to 22 inches, will definitely keep you entertained. All you would need to control your new pet's movements is the Control app, which is available on both iOS and Android. Number 14, Mezmoglobe. This mesmerizing desk globe is a must-have to make your workplace more fun. Before you rush to the store, you should note that it's very hard to take your eyes off this seemingly ordinary globe. Mezmoglobe is a pocket-sized kinetic desk toy that uses optical illusion to keep you fixed in place. The globe, which is designed with aerospace-grade aluminium, features a spiral line on its spins to create a 3D optical illusion with a continuous flow, making you think the globe itself is spinning when it's actually sitting comfortably on your desk. Number 13, Infini. Some toys come in unusual packaging, but that doesn't defeat their ability to kill boredom. Infini is a peculiar toy that is very addictive. This high-quality desk toy is perfect for anyone who loves to fidget. Infini has a rotating dial, pressable buttons, a rolling ball, an infinite swipe track, and skin-safe rubber that enables you to play with and also move the toy frictionlessly on your desk. The science behind this fidgeting device is to calm and relax your mind, while you focused on getting your work done or letting your imagination run loose. I mean, what better playground to kill boredom than your mind? Number 12, Huupe. Why don't you ditch the traditional way of playing basketball and go smarter, which, by the way, equates to more fun? According to its creators, Huupe is the first smart basketball hoop, and anyone who's used it can attest to the fact that it's also the most interactive. This boredom-killing invention consists of a smart basketball hoop and an interactive board that tracks your training progress. Huupe analyzes various data like your shooting percentage, agility, release time, and more, and suggests ways you can improve your skills. You can also train with basketball professionals or compete online with friends at tournaments. Number 11, Amphi. According to its manufacturers, this revolutionary scuba diving monofin enables you to fly on water. So maybe they exaggerated just a little, but either this equipment is nothing short of awesome. And it only requires the power of the user's legs and an electric motor to perform its magic. During the first swim, the smart system analyzes your abilities, and the motor adjusts the traction to suit your needs. Amphi has a battery life of about 2 hours, but it all depends on how you use it. Number 10, M1 STEM Car. Do you need to learn, but your mind just can't help wandering off? Then you need an M1 STEM Car. This plain-looking device is actually an AI educational robot. So it's not just an ordinary toy car, but your very own fun learning device. Children and adults alike are inspired to learn about programming, electronics, engineering, mathematics, and robotics as they play with the robot. Number 9, Afterlife Cube. If you enjoy puzzles, this stellar invention is the perfect boredom-killing invention for you. The Afterlife Cube is more than just a toy, it's a masterpiece, and only true legends will be able to beat this cube. The Afterlife Cube brings a new twist to playing with the Rubik's Cube. How? The cube is blank and a tile will only light up once placed in the correct position. The cube is more complex than it sounds because it requires a great deal of fumbling around, discipline, and impressive memory capacity for you to complete this puzzle. Therefore, this fun cube will give you a more interesting cubing experience. Are you enjoying learning all the ways these incredible inventions can spice up your life? Before we move on to the next item on our list, ensure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to find more tech-related videos. Number 8, PUTTR. This equipment provides yet another more innovative and more exciting way to play sports. PUTTR is a high-tech indoor putting green that will help you putt better, and also save thousands of dollars when compared to the expense you would incur going to a real putting green. PUTTR uses computer vision to give you feedback tailored to improving your putting skills. The package comes with 27 different putts varying in distance so that you can have a course-like experience. And the cherry on top of this package is that you can play games online and compete with friends at tournaments. Number 7, Trick or Tree. This next invention might seem like a child's game to you, but it's a boredom killer to us. Trick or Tree is a family game that's all about balance and precision. The game comprises a tree trunk with lots of magnetic blocks that come in different shapes and colors. The game aims to attach these blocks to the trunk and each other without toppling the tree over. Whoever eventually topples the tree is the loser of the game. It might sound easy, but first give it a try and you'll know what you're really up against. Number 6. YardCandy Illuminated Badminton. Who says fun isn't only limited to the day? YardCandy Illuminated Badminton ensures you can have your equal share of exciting activities at night. This badminton set comes with, wait for it, 2 LED rackets and shuttlecocks. These lights on your sports equipment are a bright way, no pun intended, to play badminton effectively in the dark. Number 5. Folding fins. Have you ever dreamed of exploring a marine habitat? With folding fins, you'll be able to make your dream a reality and go scuba diving with ease. The difference between folding fins and your regular swim fins is that folding fins are extremely easy to fold to save you 3 times more space than the average swimming fin. Therefore, the fins are very easy to pack in your rucksack and you can take them out after work for a quick dive in the sea. Number 4. Sea-Doo Spark. While we're still on interesting water inventions, Sea-Doo Spark is a worthy mention. Nothing beats your personal watercraft when it comes to all-out fun. The Sea-Doo Spark's light, compact design makes it easy to use on water. It's about the same size as your regular vehicle, making it easier to store than a full-size boat. Instead of spending the weekend at your house watching movies, why not pump up some adrenaline with this water jet? You can whip, dip, spin, and race with your friends on the water and release your inner child. Number 3. Kendama. Next up, we have a simple toy invention that will very quickly kill your boredom. A Kendama is a Japanese reinvention of the classic cup and ball game. The Kendama consists of a pair of cups, a handle, and a small ball, all of which are connected by a string. The game aims to pull the ball on the string and try balancing it on the cups, which are placed on the handle. As easy as this game may seem, it's also really addicting and it's something you can effortlessly play while walking on the street. Number 2 is Skinetic. Virtual reality entertainment has improved with Skinetic, a VR vest that uses state-of-the-art haptic technology to provide you with a more immersive virtual reality experience. The creators promise this vest will give you a Ready Player One experience, whereby you can touch, feel, and hear everything in your VR environment. Now, bringing all these sensations along with you to a simulation can undoubtedly make your life more exciting. Number 1. GoSports Slam X4-Way Volleyball Game. Here is another exciting boredom killer for sports lovers. The GoSports Slam X4-Way Volleyball game has made volleyball more fun by making provisions for you to play with 4 people or in 4 teams. Everything you need, from the 4 nets to the poles and volleyball, are available and extremely easy to set up. Bring as many friends as you can because this volleyball battle is going to be epic. So, what are your thoughts on these boredom killers? Let us know in the comment section below which you think is the most fun. And you don't want to miss this next video.